Welcome to our quick guide on syncing the office location attribute from Okta to Google Workspace. Let's dive right in. For our example, we can see that in Google Workspace, our user office location is New York. Let's update this. First, head over to your Okta admin console. Once there, click on Directory, then Profile Editor. In here, search Google Workspace User. You'll see an option to Add Attribute. Go ahead and click that. Now look for the attribute named Organization's Work Location and click Save. This is the key step to get things synced up. After saving, refresh your page. Make sure the Organization's Work Location attribute is now listed. It's always good to double-check. Next, find and click on Mappings. Under the Okta User to Google Workspace tab, it's time to add a mapping for the Organization's Work Location attribute. For example, you might map it to user.city, but feel free to choose any attribute that suits your needs. To see if everything's working, type a username into the preview box. This helps you check the mapping before going live. Once satisfied, click Exit Preview. If you're ready to apply these changes to all users right away, hit Save Mappings and then Apply Updates Now. If not, just click Don't Apply Updates. Remember, Apply Updates Now will update all attributes for your users, not just the one you've worked on. Lastly, hop over to Google Workspace and verify if the office location field is updated. Seeing the changes there means you've done everything right. And that's it. You've successfully synced your office location attribute from Okta to Google Workspace. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to us on YouTube.